Home Minister Amit Shah ji, Honorable Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal ji, Honorable Finance Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma ji, on this auspicious, momentous occasion, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you to Karbi Anglong. Your august presence indeed makes this day a memorable one. Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji, we are happy that due to your able leadership and the will to the 10 whole state insurgent group like NDAB and others, we have brought to the table of discussion. And today, we can see that the other groups of like People Democratic Council of Karbi Longri, PDCK, United People Liberation Army, UPLA, Karbi People Liberation Tribal, KPLT, Dima National Liberation Army, GNLA, United People Revolutionary Front, UPRA, Karbi Longri, North Kachar Hills Liberation Front, KLNF, Kuki Liberation Front, KLA, Kuki Liberation Army, KLA have been turned out to give arms and to negotiate with the government with the peaceful and democratic means. Honorable Sir, we are the ultimate inspiration and long-standing demand of the people of Karbi Anglong and Dimasaw is the implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitution. I would like to mention, Honorable Sir, that the people of Karbi Anglong had been agitating since 1950. The agitation took the form of a mass movement since 1986. Hundreds and thousands of people died during the movement. Several insurgent groups were born out of this movement, and many young people died. Due to civil unrest, the Hill District have lost precious time for education and development. We, along with the civil society organization, have worked hard for peace and to have insurgent group come our ground. I therefore ask Honorable Sir to take up this matter and take this initiative for immediate implementation of Article 244A of the Constitution. The people of Karbi Anglong and Dimasaw are resolute on this issue. We believe and are hopeful that under your leadership and the inspiration of the people of will meet, once of the inspiration, the people is meet, there will be permanent peace. We also trust that under your leadership and under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, more development will take place and make Karbi Anglong and Dimasaw and Prince of India. Because we, Karbi Anglong and Dimasaw and West Karbi Anglong, oldest 62 district in India and largest 62 district in India, bigger than Goa, Sikkim, even Tripura also, sir. So we need implementation of Article 244A, sir. Thank you.